Okay, I've had a little bit of a problem with the mouth. When I put the mouth in, it was too big of a gap in here. So I've added these two pieces of wood, and what I did was I nailed down through here and through here so that they don't come loose, and then I also glued them in the back. So we want to round this down so our teeth will match up good. So we're going to round this down the sides and down this way, and then when we go to seal it, we'll fill the crack up with some wood putty. That'll seal it all up for us. So as you can see, we'll get this blended down so it'll blend in with the rest of it, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.